What's up guys, welcome to the channel Bullets Garage. On today's vlog I want to talk about how much power my GTI makes on APR stage 2 compared to stock. Alright guys, so I want to make this video short and sweet. Let's just go over these numbers real quick. I don't believe there's any stock dyno runs on this according to these numbers, so let's get into this chart right here, which specifies, I believe this is APR stage 2. So max torque at the crank is 306.9. Max horsepower at the crank 253.2. These numbers were done before I installed the new air intake, because this was done on a stock intake, so I'm sure it picked up a little bit of power. 306 pound-feet of torque, 251.3 horsepower. So I'm guessing with the modifications that I have added the intake, these numbers might be looking closer to like 330 and maybe 270 at the crank, which is not bad for a small 2.0 turbo. Nowadays, the MK7s make a lot more power with just the tune, which is insane. So, what do you guys think? Maybe a possible upgrade to like a MK7 GTI as a new daily? Comment below, let me know what you think. See you guys on the next video. Take care.